Hey there! Welcome to discover the amazing potential of BENY's products. Today, I'm super excited to introduce our bestseller, the BENY 3 Guns DC EV Charger. This charger offers a range of benefits. To start, it utilizes advanced DC fast charging technology with a power rating between 82 kilowatts and 262 kilowatts, ensuring quick charging for electric vehicles. Moreover, the 3-gun design caters to the needs of multiple vehicles charging simultaneously, greatly enhancing efficiency. Additionally, our charger comes with several safety features, including waterproofing and high-temperature resistance, to ensure secure and worry-free usage. To sum it up, the BENY 3 Guns DC EV Charger is a smart, safe, and practical way to supercharge your electric vehicle business. We can't wait to team up with you.